Hi, this is Mato. Welcome to my online chess lecture. In this video I will show you a game between Daniel Gurevich and Duncan Shepherd. This is a game from Pro Chess League, played in 2018. Daniel Gurevich had white pieces and he started with knight to f3. Duncan Shepherd played knight to f6, d4, d5, bishop to f4, c5, e3, knight to c6, then from b3 to e6, c3. This opening is known as the London system. C takes on d4, white to move. C takes on d4. E takes on d4 is the most played move. Gurevich played c takes on d4, bishop to d6, bishop to g3. Shepherd castled kingside, bishop to d3, black to move. Black is not in a hurry to take on g3 and open the h-file. Most of the time player with black pieces would wait until white castles and then he would capture on g3. So we have queen to e7, preparing e5, but now knight to e5, bishop to d7, a3, preventing knight to b4, rook from f to c8, and Gurevich castled kingside, rook from a to b8, intending b5, b4, f4, cementing the knight, b5, white to move. How would you continue? What is the strongest move for white in this position? Gurevich played bishop to h4, and this is very annoying move. The knight is pinned, so Duncan Shepherd played queen to d8, perhaps intending bishop to e7, unpinning. Bishop takes on f6, g takes on f6. If queen takes on f6, then knight takes on d7, and white is winning. So we have g takes on f6, attacking the knight. What is the best square for the knight? What would you do? Please pause and find the best move for white in this position. What did you find? Gurevich played the best move, queen to h5 with a double threat. Bishop takes on e5 was played. If f takes on e5, f takes on e5, and black didn't solve the problem. It's even worse now. So we have bishop takes on e5, queen takes on h7 check, bishop takes on h7 is also winning, queen takes on h7 check, king to f8, f takes on e5, black to move, f5 was played. F takes on e5 has a tiny downside. Queen takes on f7 checkmate. So Shepherd played f5, keeping the file closed. Rook to f3, intending rook to g3 and then rook to g8 check, winning the queen. Bishop to e8, defending f7 square. Knight to b3, intending knight to c5. Queen to b6. White to move. How will you continue? Well, knight to c5 was expected, and it is a good move. But Gurevich decided to have a fancy finish and play this move. Bishop takes on f5, very nice move. Knight takes on d4. If pawn takes bishop, then white wins in two moves. Can you see how? First move, queen to h6 check, and after king to e7, queen to d6 checkmate. To avoid this checkmate, knight takes on d4 was played. Knight takes on d4. Pawn takes bishop. White to move. White played a move and black resigned, and the move is knight takes on f5. Black resigned. There is no sensible defense against queen to h8 checkmate. Nicely played game by Daniel Gurevich. What do you think of this game? And that is all. I hope that you enjoyed watching this video. I wish you good luck with your chess, and bye for now.